Master Boris here with a new video. What's good in the hood? Chicken nuggets with some hot sauce on the combos. Today I have another tutorial for y'all on Dragon Ball Fighterz. I was gonna put it on my playthrough video of me playing this game because I got some new videos for y'all, but I decided to do it in a separate video. You know, some of y'all probably already know this. You know what I'm saying, on what I'm about to show y'all, but I'm gonna teach you anyway because y'all love y'all and I do it for the culture. But anyway, and I love this game. So, Dragon Dashers, or Dragon Dash spammers, you know what I'm saying, that does this every chance they get, right? Annoying, right? Very annoying, right? And you try to figure out how to punish that or to counter that. Well, it's really easy. You gotta make your opponent respect your flavor of how to get this thing done. You know what I'm saying? And not to do it anymore and have another different game plan in order to beat you. So I'm about to show you right now how to counter all those Dragon Dashing spammers. You know what I'm saying? And one thing I do notice about how people play this game, all the 25 matches that I've done playing this game, and you know, because mainly I was just doing the story for y'all. But we're gonna get to the online matches in a few. A lot of people don't know how to play neutral. They just like to be offensive all the time. They just like being offensive. You know, because Arc System works games, fighting games are designed for you to be offensive, but you do have defensive options, you know what I'm saying? And this game is no different. You know what I'm saying? What I'm about to show you right now is how to counter these Dragon Dashing spammers. So here we go. Did you notice something? Did you see that little blue circle after I did that counter move of down heavy? That means I did it right. And it showed anti-air of what I was doing on the left side. So, let's try that again. See? Simple, right? Or you can do this. You know what I'm saying? Or you can do that if you have meter. Or check this out. Level 3, bitch. You can do that. And, I mean, that's pretty much it. You got a lot of options. Or you can clash with them. Bump it. Clash with them. You gotta do it at the same time, though. Because you're gonna get beat out if you, like, try to do your Dragon Dash pretty much at the last minute, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know what I'm saying, by the time of the startup of the Dragon Dash, right? Do that. Simple. That's all you gotta do. Make sure you have your meters right, you know, or just down heavy. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. This is for beginners that was skeptical of getting this game, and now they have it in their possessions right now and they having fun playing it. Some of you probably already know this. This is not for you. This is for people that's really skeptical of getting into this game and want to play it and has the game. They have the game. So that's all I have to do, and that's all I have to say. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. More videos coming really soon, because I do a variety of playthroughs here. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, everything, the whole 9 yards. Join the hot sauce game. Without further ado, I'm your host, Master Boris. Here